Hello, my name is Andres Garces. I study in the System Engineering program. Today I am here to show my web page on Google site, which contains information about the impact of technology on everyday life. Mm, Impact of technology in everyday life. Objectives. This activity is carried out in order to identify all the negative and positive aspects that technology brings with it. How was technology changed human life in your community? Mm, Technology have changed our daily life, especially in recent years, with the spread of internet use, both at home and at a professional level. Mm, and my community, we can see that the majority of people, both adults and young people, already use technology, already use technological device and many benefits from generating economic income for their homes. Uh, what positive and negative aspects do you consider your community have had in the use of technology nowadays? Um, um, Positive aspect acute access to information, facilities learning, break the barrier of distance, break to barrier of distance, um, create new jobs, simplifying text, and negative aspects, dependence, privacy, ethical dilemmas, dehumanización, dehumanización, pollution. Um, Instructions. One. Parents should supervise children more online. Two. Is we use the internet responsibly, we may get more out of what it offers use. 3. The internet has a duty to take care of our data. They shall improve on that. 4. Children can get more of studies be relying on technology. 5. The internet could have been better when used by children. 6. Every person must be responsible for the use of their data on any web page. 7. The extent that the internet could do is a type of authentication to know when minors are using tester bases. 8. The country must integrate rules for the use of technology science. Some of these can be detrimental to their use. 9. Life already forces us to use technology today, so it's important to have the will to learn how to use it correctly. 10. Technology should be moderated a bit since this has affected humanity in terms of war. Thank you.